Now let us take a look at the double headers today. Rajasthan versus Hyderabad is the first game. Of course, Hyderabad and Rajasthan both are bottom teams. Hyderabad, new captain, new ideas. Kane Williamson has been appointed as the captain of Hyderabad. David Warner has been told to sit back for a bit. There were rumors of a certain rift there. There were certain things said in pre-match at the toss. There were certain things said at the post-match presser. Things were clearly not okay in that leadership core in Hyderabad, and they've decided to give the captaincy to Kane Williamson, who's done the job in the past as well when David Warner was absent. I expect new ideas to come to the fore. I expect a new looking 11 to come to the fore as well. Certainly a few changes will come into the fray. I think Kane likes fast bowlers at the top. He likes pace. He likes people. He wants that injection of pace into the team, or a skilled fast bowler into the team, and that's going to be very important. I think that is a characteristic that we will see in this game. And apart from that, of course, every captain has certain players that she or he likes, and they will sort of try to incorporate that. And I think Kane will try and do that as well. Let's take a look at the changes for Hyderabad that we could see in this time. I think Bhuvneshwar Kumar will make a return to the team. No Bhuvi last time. Expect him to come back this time for sure. Bairstow, I think, might miss out, or there are rumors that David Warner himself might lose his spot in the team, but I think that would be very harsh and that would not be right as well. Well, he's been your leading run scorer for a long time, has scored over 400 runs in the last 5-6 years every season. You don't do that to Mr. IPL. So David Warner retains his place. Maybe Bairstow goes out, getting Jason Roy there, freshen things up at the top, maybe get in Wriddhiman Saha. You never know what's going to happen there at the top, but I think there will be a change at the top. But more so, there will be, I think there could be another foreign player change as well. We could see someone like a Holder as well come back in to fortify that middle order, get in an extra seamer. Could happen. And maybe because you have that extra seamer now, you could get in Abdul Samad for Vijay Shankar. There are conversations about Shankar, but at this point, I do not side with him. I think Abdul Samad will be a good fit in that lower order. He's got the big sixes in him, and at the moment, Hyderabad don't have that in their locker room. So I think Abdul Samad comes in right away. I expect a few changes for Hyderabad today, and it's going to be important if they are going to move up the table. They are a very good team. They are an underrated team. Every year they've qualified. This time, if they are to qualify, they have to start winning games right away. They're at the bottom of the table, only one win so far. They have to win right away. And to win today, they have to dismantle Rajasthan's top order. It's going to be very important that you get Butler early. Yashasvi looked good in the last game. Sanju looked good in the last game as well. Get the top order back in the pavilion. Put the pressure on the likes of Dubey and Morris and Tewatia in the middle. Get them in early and put pressure on them, and not let them come towards the end. That is something that Hyderabad would want to do, and they will need Bhuvneshwar Kumar to come in and sort of get his expertise, and he's a world-class bowler for sure. Rajasthan have a new signing in Gerald Coetzee, who is a South African fast bowler. They've gotten him for Liam Livingston. Not happy with the fast bowling as it seems. They've gotten in a bowler for a batter, so maybe someone like a Mustafizur might be feeling like his place is up for grabs. I don't think he'll be able to play right away. Would be young Coetzee from South Africa, 20-year-old fast bowler. But in time to come, probably 1 or 2 games here and there for sure. Maybe they're testing him out if they can get him in the bigger auction next year. Don't think there will be a lot of changes for Rajasthan. Play Kartik Tyagi. I really like the boy. He's a good bowler. See if you can play Kartik Tyagi. That would be very, very good. Maybe for Sakaria, maybe for Unadkat. You never know. Let's try it out. He did well for you last time. Maybe he will do well for you this time as well, especially in the conditions that they're playing in. At the end of the day, the foreign core is depleted. They don't have Stokes and Archer. They have just the 4 foreigners now. Of course, now the 5th with Coetzee coming in as well. But at this point, Rajasthan do not have the resources to compete with the top 3, top 4 teams. They have to try and take one game at a time, and they have to try and put in their best on that day. It's going to be a few lessons for young Sanju Samson, the captain, to grasp and take maybe into the next year. I'm not saying Rajasthan should give up on this year, but at the same time, they should probably take it a game at a time. All in all, if you look at the matchups, let's talk about the matchups in this game. I think Sakaria versus Warner, or one of the openers, will be a good contest. If Rajasthan bowl first, or even if they bowl, even if they bowl second, it'll be, in early conditions. So that'll be a nice contest. Maybe some swing for on offer. You never know. Rashid versus Sanju is a contest I'm looking forward to as well. To the two heartbeats of the two franchisees going up against each other, and then with Williamson versus Morris is what I'm looking forward to as well. Kane Williamson has looked in good form, and I think so has Morris. He's picked up a few wickets in the last few games. So Rajasthan bowls in those overs where Williamson is operational. Could be a good contest indeed. Predictions, I think. Both these teams are dear to me, to be very honest. And at the end of the day, they've not really done a lot to win games. However, I feel today could be Sunrisers Hyderabad's day. They need to come back. New captain, of course, on with Williamson coming into the picture. Could be a few changes, fresh ideas. Could inspire a little bit. Could inspire a little bit in the operations and of the team. And I think it could prove to be that bit of a difference on the day. I'm going to go with Hyderabad for sure on this one. Let's see how it pans out.